Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove item from shopping list in Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open Amazon application on your device. And then here you can select profile icon at the bottom. And then please press your list here. Okay, select this one. Okay, after that, just press on the three dots here. And then you can select the delete option to remove the item from your shopping list. Okay, and then the item is successfully removed. That's the tutorial on how to remove item from shopping list in Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.